Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid. Today I am reviewing a planner that I got as a gift from the BizMomPlannerCo, and she wanted me to do an honest review on her planner. So I wanted to quickly just show you her website so you could see what her business look like before I unbox this planner and show it to you because it is super cute. My favorite part about the business overall is the values, y'all. Like, I had to really stop here and read because I do care about the value of a business, whether big or small. Values are very important because it shows how you operate. So it shows a little bit about the maker, and her name is Tiffany, and she was super nice. She sent her stuff really fast, and I just can't wait to show you guys because it is such a vibe. It is such an aesthetic. So here's what the packaging looked like when I got it in the mail. Of course, I covered my address. It is very simple packaging, and I am so happy that it arrived in pristine condition because honestly, my packages have been getting beat up lately, y'all. So when you open up the package, you have the nicely wrapped planner with bubble wrap, and then you have her contacts and all her socials at the top. So check out BizMomPlannerCo on Instagram and all the other socials. She does have the cutest stuff, and she was very friendly to talk to. I really enjoyed talking with her. So when it comes with the packaging, it is nicely wrapped. Like I said, it is simplistic. And let's go ahead and open this up and go ahead and see what the rest of this packaging looks like. Remember when I said it was reusable? Wow. First off, I saw the paper. So it looks like she makes her own paper. And I was fascinated because I don't think I've ever held or touched handmade paper before. So I was fascinated when I saw it, and it is so cute. I like the way it feels actually. And inside was just a note, thanking me for collaborating and everything. And y'all, if y'all ever want me to review something or ask about something, let me know. Like, I'm so open to do so, and it is so fun to do. I love trying new items. With the rest of the packaging, the ribbon, y'all, I struggled to get it off, but I will be reusing it. It is so cute, and plus it is pink, and I love pink. So as I struggle to get this off and figure out how to get into the rest of the packaging, give me a second, okay? Ta-da! Here it is. So here's all of her stuff. Super cute, such a vibe. And in this little tiny baggie are some discs that you can add with your planner. So I pretty much received a full-on planner kit, and I have to put my planner together. So I have these really cute clear discs. They're just plain and clear, and it looks like they're about the regular size, enough to fit the planner. And then you got some more welcome cards and a little card here to show you to watch a video first. Shows you how to put together the planner, more of what it is about. I did not watch the video. I was too excited, and honestly, I just started putting the planner together. And then here's just a little message from her. Hey mama, how you doing? All that good stuff. Telling you that it's all going to be okay, and you are in good hands with this planner, okay? And the best part about this planner is that it's supposed to be a catch-all planner, so everything's supposed to go into this one planner, which I like. Having multiple planners sometimes can be overwhelming. So it also came with this cute little book, and at first I thought it was just like a journal, which, I mean, it pretty much is a journal, but I like at the top how it says notes, dreams, ideas. Like, she could have just left it blank, but she decided to put that. So I say all of this to say, because sometimes I get overwhelmed when I have a blank page, and I would just use it for notes, but I didn't think about my ideas and dreams and stuff like that. So it might be like my dream journal, or when I have some ideas for content, I can write it in this book or something. Either way, it's really cute, and the cover is my favorite part. Look at these florals. So cute. Next up, we just have pages for your notes. So they're just blank note pages, lined pages. And by the way, if I haven't mentioned it, The size of this planner is pretty much a big size happy planner. So it's 11 discs, which is the same size as a big size happy planner if you need like a reference. So all the pages are the same size, including these note pages here, which can fit 11 discs, which is perfect for, I would think, moms, because they're busy and they need a lot of room to track stuff. Makes sense. And then here we have one of my favorite parts of the planners, which is the meal prep meal planner page. So one of the things, whether you're a mom or not, that I would encourage, because I am on my own personal fitness journey. Honestly, I'm not getting too much into it because when I get into stuff, I think too hard about it. So just know I'm trying to take care of myself. Your girl is trying to take care of herself. I think meal planning is essential. I don't do all the extra prep stuff like I want to. Sometimes it just gets on my nerves to do. But planning, I think, is helpful when you want to know what to eat. Planning ahead of time. So I really love that that was in there. Now here in this sleeve is going to be the planner itself. So all the other parts where you'll put your to-dos and calendars and all that is in this stack right here, as well as the front and the back cover of the planners. And here's the thickness just for reference so you can see, looks pretty standard. And then here are the covers. The covers are reversible, so you can use either side. My favorite side is the floral side. Spring is coming. It is super cute. I'm just loving the water art kind of look to it. It's really pretty. And then at the bottom, it has woman, mama, and minority owned, which is awesome. So make sure you guys are shopping small. Like, I love that. And then here, I'm just showing you that it takes the disc. The cuts look really good, believe it or not. I'm just saying, some planners, you could tell with like the disc where you put it, it might be looser. I didn't have that issue with mine. I think the disc fit perfectly. So I just wanted to show you the cuts up close for your disc. And then here's the other cover. The back side of it is just this light kind of sage green. But like I said, I did use the floral side of it on the outside. I just love the pattern. And then here it is all together. Like I said, such a look, such an aesthetic. It's just really cute. I'm loving the florals here. I really am. So now I wanted to just sit here and put the planner together while I talk to you guys more about the purpose of this planner and what I would personally be using it for. So I pretty much spent about a week and a half with the planner, and I thoroughly enjoyed using it due to the simplistic layout that it had. So it is, like I said, an open concept layout. However, it's not like a blank canvas. There's still some structure in this planner that will still guide you to how you want to plan, but it's not too much to where you're restricted. So I think this planner can be decorated if you wanted to decorate it with your stickers, but it can still be functional at the same time. And then I also feel like if you just want to use it for specifically functional purposes, you don't care about all that decorating, it's pretty enough to where you don't really have to decorate it. And you will see very soon when I flip through the whole thing. The color scheme in this planner is just so pretty with the pastel muted tones. It is gorgeous. And honestly, I'm a super extra planner. And what I mean by that is my planners, they're chunky, they're extra. I got pins, I got bows, crazy stuff all over my planner because I like it like that. It's so organized chaos. This one, on the other hand, is toned down, straight to the point, and simple. And actually, I really like that. Sometimes I do that. I will go back to a simple planner to reset myself because sometimes I overstimulate myself by adding all this extra stuff to my planner. Mind you, I do still plan in my planner. I like to make it fun and functional at the same time. So that's kind of what I did with this planner. I pretty much left it exactly how it came, But I did add a couple of pins because I wanted to see how much could I add to this planner. I normally add pins and stuff to smaller planners, not really the big planners, because the big planners are already a big enough. So mind you, while I'm sitting here constructing this planner, I was just sitting here trying to figure out what kind of order that I want to put it in. The planner already comes in order, but the extra pages like the notes, the pocket folder it came with, and the meal planning, I was thinking to myself, okay, which way do I want to put it? So that was a clip of me trying to think, where do I want to put it? So now I'm just pretty much constructing the planner and putting them in its disc. And one thing I really did like about this planner is that it is easy to turn. So the discs are plastic discs, and I know some people have a preference when it comes to plastic or metal discs because, they say metal discs do better, plastic discs harder to turn. I think it's just all preference. Both discs have done me wrong. Both discs have done me good. I pretty much like all materials depending on the planner. But these are plastic discs so that you're aware. But I think turning the pages was perfectly fine. And I did turn like a full batch of pages, which was easy to turn to. So I just wanted to also mention that. This is the little clip I'm adding. And here's the planner. Here she is, all put together. Super cute. I love the color scheme. My clip matches. And this is all the pages I received. So it all can fit. This whole kit can fit together. I might take some out later though, because I feel like it's a little too thick. But this is how it looks. And now I want to tell you how I use my planner. So initially, when I started using this planner, I was using it for pretty much everyday stuff. So anything with my business, anything with my brand, anything for the day, like appointments, going to work, just everyday daily stuff. I started off using my planner that way, but I'm thinking of shifting it to a more narrowed down use, if that makes sense. Like, because of the layout, I think it'll also be great if you wanted to use it as a budget planner or a financial planner. I think it'll also be great if you want to use it as a content planner for your content on any of your brands or businesses, or even as a planner for your business. Like, I think if you wanted to solely use it for that and not put everything in there, it is good enough to use for that as well. So don't feel like you have to shove everything into this one planner. I like the layout so much that you can break it down into a certain niche and only use that planner for that if you want to. Here's a quick flip through and my thoughts. So when you first open the planner, you greet it with, the background of the planner and everything. And then when you turn into this page that I'm on now, it asks for your visions. What does your future look like? What are your goals for your business? What are your values? Which is really important, those values, because your values give you the reason of doing what you do. So after you turn the page, this vellum, I just found it online and printed it myself. I was just adding some flair, testing out some looks in this planner. But here you have a 2024 calendar for the entire year so you can plan ahead. And then you also have a year at a glance page where you can quickly jot down things for throughout the year, which I really like. And then you have some more note pages in the planner. And these are the same note pages that I showed you earlier in the video that I also got in the mail. So I guess you get a stack, and then I also have some throughout the planner. So look, plenty of room for notes is all I'm saying. plenty of room. So you do get a lot of pages for notes, which is really good. And then one of my favorite parts of the planner is this quarterly planner page. I think sometimes we think about trying to plan out the whole year in the future that we forget to break it down. So like what goals do you want to meet at, the half point of the year or the quarter point of the year? I think that's a very good way to break it down and make your goals more achievable. So I'm glad she included that. Here I am just adding some more stuff to the planner. This habit tracker, though, is part of her planner. That's part of her planner, and I really do like this. I didn't use it because I wanted to show you guys a blank one first, but I've been writing it separately. Also, I do use a habit tracker on my phone, and now we have the calendar. So the calendar color scheme is pretty much what you're going to be seeing throughout the planner. We've been seeing a lot of black and white, and now here's the color scheme of the planner. So the color scheme is pretty neutral, muted tones, and I think is perfect for anyone who just wants to keep it simple and functional, but I think it's also perfect to dress it up and decorate it. And here I'm just, showing you the daily pages, and it comes with a good amount of daily pages for each month. So you won't run out of daily pages for the week. And then I'm just showing you the meal planner page. I decided to put it behind the daily page, and I'll probably be doing it weekly, just giving it a try. And then there you go with the rest of the weeks. So I actually really like this layout. This is the layout I've been talking about throughout the video. It's kind of giving dashboard a little bit from Happy Planner, but more broken down, more extensive. I don't know why. Like, I know in a Happy Planner it shows a certain way, but this way it's just, I struggle using a dashboard planner, okay? I don't know why. I hate dashboard planners. I do not use dashboard planners. But for some reason, I really did enjoy this layout. I thought I wouldn't, but I actually did. And then it just starts back over. So you have your habit tracker, and then you have your calendar that shows the month, and then you get into the weeks, and you got a good amount of pages to cover weeks for the month. It's not like 3 or 4 pages. It's more than that, just in case you need more pages. So I thought that was really good. Actually, it's a really, really good layout in this planner. So now that we're nearing the back of the planner, in the very back, there was an expenses page as well as like a stat tracker. So I guess you can keep track of, expenses and bills and stuff. But I do think I'm going to add more to that. I actually need to check her site and see if she has any extra pages for expenses because obviously this one is not going to be enough. So she probably sells more inserts. So I need to check that out. But isn't this page cute? It's cute, straight to the point, and I like it. And then in the very back, I decided to put my little planner pocket back here. Well, big planner pocket, and the rest of my note pages. And that's pretty much the planner. That's pretty much the setup I went for. Very simple, giving it a try. Knowing me, I'm probably going to make changes to it because I'm always changing things in my planner. Don't be afraid to change stuff in your planner or even change planners, Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Use my discount code Plannerzoid20 on her website to get 20% off. Bye guys, thanks for watching.